you wondering how I did these shiplap walls? Well, I'm going to show you right now. Hi everybody, I'm Ruby. Welcome to my channel, Rubylicious, where I show you how to do DIYs, mom hacks, and decluttering. But today we're going to show you how to do this shiplap wall. Fast forward to 2 minutes and I'll tell you in detail of the things I wish I knew before I started. I am not a professional construction worker, neither is my husband, but in the description box below, I'm going to put a link on a detailed tutorial. But this video is for the people that like to go on Pinterest or YouTube and like to try to do their own DIYs. This is about a 48-hour project. If you do it leisurely, it'll take you about 3 to 4 weeks. It's harder than it looks. But with that said, let's go. So excited to change these blue colored walls. Prime them white. You don't have to do this step, but when you lay the shiplap walls, you want it to peek through white through the holes. Step 1, prep your wall. Remove the baseboard. Okay, so I used a box knife and a crowbar and like a hook blade. I don't even know what it's called, but this took like 30 minutes worth just for this one long piece. Step 2, gather your supplies. My dad's a handyman, so I had most of these at my house. You're gonna need a miter saw. And borrowed a table saw from my brother. Electric sander. Tape measure. A right angle. A level. US nickels. Nail gun. Nails. Compressor. And you need a stud finder. I have 8-foot ceilings and wanted 6-inch width planks. I went to Lowe's and I bought 4 4x8s. Go ahead and buy a little bit more than you need. Beautiful texture. At Lowe's, they do cut wood for free, but I was there for about 1 hour waiting for them to cut 4 sheets. They weren't able to cut it smaller than 12 inches, so my husband had to do 6-inch width with a table saw, which took about 2 hours. Step 3, install faux shiplap. So I wish I knew all these things before I started doing this project. Number 1, the amount of time you're going to spend at the hardware store, going back and forth to Home Depot or Lowe's because, oh my goodness, I don't have enough nails, or, oh no, I don't have any more sandpaper. Number 2, please invest in an electric sander because that will be your BFF for an hour and a half. No one ever tells you how long it takes to sand after they actually get cut. Number 3, the nickels are going to be spacers. Get a roll of these dang nickels because let me tell you, you're going to look at your significant other or you're going to look at whoever's trying to help you and you're going to look at each other like, where's the nickel? I thought you had the nickel. Didn't you put it in your pocket? No, you did. And then guess what? These nickels, they fly off the walls like they're... God bless my husband. I volunteered him. It was totally all of my idea to do this faux shiplap wall, but you definitely have to realize that you love each other and you're going to get on each other's nerves because this is a team building experience.
Now, for the real show, you've been waiting.
Stop.
See, honey, I can have my own home improvement
Yeah,
show.
you can. After 4 to 5 hours, you're wondering, can I even add? Why aren't you cutting this thing straight? Oh, well, you measured wrong. So you're going to look at your significant other and say, you failed. You suck at your job, and I know you've never cut this before. I'm kidding. Those words never were exchanged, but I was definitely thinking about it, and I'm sure my husband was too. Step 4, paint your walls white. Some tips are you need some snacks so you don't get crabby. Get some gummy bears, drink lots of water, and have breaks every 15 minutes to the hour. You have to get a metal spatula or even a flathead to cut the creases because paint will go through when you're laying your first layer. I actually did 2 coats. Painting is very therapeutic for me. I love painting the walls. Painting the walls is a piece of cake compared to actually laying down the shiplap. But let me tell you, it is a workout. I gotta put my back into it. OMG, look at my faux shiplap. Fixer-upper and Joanna Gaines, here I come. Looks nice, right? Well, if you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see any more DIY projects, just leave comments in the bottom and I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.